Hello everyone, today our topic is how to do a keyword research with cerebro tool of Helium 10. First of all, we'll click on tools and then click on cerebro. It's keyword research tool. And then click on cerebro. You will see the dashboard of cerebro like here. Okay, here you convert like they enter up to 10 product SN. Here you put any SN you want, which you want to get keyword. Like you want to check which keyword your competitor is using. You can also copy its SN is here, or you can see it here also. Okay, you can copy it and then paste it here. You can see its SN is pasted here. Here you can choose your marketplace and then click on get keywords. Helium 10 is fetching data from Cerebro tool. You will see the keywords of these SN or these products. This is your, if you are this competitor, then you can see which keyword this is using. Like these are the organic result of this product. Okay, you can check herb grinder titanium, herb grinder for keep grinder, best grinder for wheat, and you can also see many more. Okay, here is search volume of this keyword. You can also check this keyword. You can also use in your PV campaign and also use in your listing and also use for your product research. Okay, and second what you can get from this cerebro tool is get your competitor. Like if you have a one SN, then you can get many other competitor, and you can also keyword research from these competitors. You can add up to 9 SN. Okay, add up to 9 more products, like one product, and then these are you also your competitors. You can select it. Okay, you can select it. This is not okay. Then you click it, add competitor. So these SN are also included in it. You can also get keyword of from these all SN. Click on get keywords, run new search, fetching data from these 9 to 10 SN. These 9 to 10 SN are your competitor. You can get these keywords from these SN. So these are the organic result from these all SN. Okay, you can check which keyword is relevant to your product. So you can also uh, select it. For example, these are, and then click on add to my list. Here you can create your list. Here you can, for example, herb grinder. You can name it herb grinder and save. Okay, here you can see this is your competitor. You can also check it, and these 50 keywords added to your list. You can check your list here, for example tools, and then click on keyword research, then my list. Open it in new tab, and you can download it in Excel file. This is hard grinder 50 keywords Helium 10, and this is using your Excel file. This is downloaded in Excel file, and you can also narrow down from these keywords. Okay, so this is a simple way you can use to cerebro. If any question about this cerebro tool, so please comment below question. I hope you can also understand everything about cerebro tool for keyword research, for product research, or for PPC keywords, or anything. Okay, we can meet to next video.